I will show you the entire process from downloading the file to customizing it inside of Premiere Pro. So once you've purchased the MOGRT, you'll get this thank you screen, and your digital file might take a second to load. Now click on access digital content, and then on the site you can simply click on download. You'll also get the order confirmation and a download link on your email, from which you can download the file as well. Once the file is downloaded, you will have this zip file, which contains all your files. This zip file compresses the files in size for a faster download without quality loss. On Windows, you can right click and then select extract all to use the built-in Windows tool. You can also download an alternative such as 7-zip or WinRAR to extract the file. Inside the folder, you will see the motion graphic templates, the PDF guide and your license. Now open Premiere Pro and then open the graphics templates window if you're on Premiere Pro version 2025 or newer. And if you don't see it, then go to Window and then enable graphics template. On all the versions of Premiere, you need to open the Essential Graphics tab, which you can once again enable under Window. Now select the motion graphic template that matches your Premiere Pro language. And since my Premiere Pro language is English, I will choose that version. If you import the wrong language, the features of the MOGRT won't work. So import the matching language. Now click and drag the file inside the graphics template window or the Essential Graphics window on all the versions. You can also click on this button and import the MOGRT that way. The MOGRT might take a second to load, and once it's finished you can simply click and drag it into the timeline. Now to customize it, you need to select it in your timeline and then go to the properties window, which you can enable once again under Window. And on all the versions, you need to go to the Essential Graphics tab and then edit. Now the rest of this is exactly the same on both older and newer versions. You can click on these tabs to expand the section. And under the text design tab, you can customize the look of the text. You can change the color by clicking on this box. You can also change the font size and much more. There's also a shadow and glow section if you want to use it. Now to make the animation, you need to go to the text animation tab. And in here, you can type in a starting number in the text field and an end number in the other field. And we now already got a working animation. You can also adjust the duration of the animation by using this slider. And if you want, you can also add decimals by adjusting the slider. Just make sure to use a dot and not a comma on the start and end value for it to work properly. You can also choose a easing option, which adjusts the speed curve of the animation. Under separator style, you can choose if you want a comma, no separator or a dot to separate the numbers. You can also add some text to the animation by inserting text into this text field. And this is what we got. And under the motion blur tab, you can also add motion blur. Under transform, you can also move the animation around, scale it up, rotate it and much more. If you have any questions, then feel free to email me at support@adobebasics.com.